Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get Coinbase QR code, only way. Open the Coinbase app, tap Receive, choose the account, then tap the QR icon to display and share your code securely. Make sure your app is updated and use a screenshot only when necessary to avoid exposing sensitive info. I'll guide you step by step through settings, addresses, and sharing options for a smooth transfer experience. Start by opening Coinbase and signing in with your credentials. From the dashboard, tap the Receive button at the bottom or top based on layout, select the crypto account, and the QR code appears for that address. Confirm network and address type, match the sender's wallet to prevent loss, copy the address if needed, and use the Share menu for secure transfer options. Also check recent activity to verify the address wasn't changed by malware. Quick recommendation: if you spend time managing wallets, stay hydrated with the Owala water bottle for long sessions when checking QR codes. If you like this video, please subscribe and hit like to support more helpful guides, and check the description for the Owala link and other deals. This bottle keeps drinks cold, fits most cup holders, and is easy to carry between devices and desks. Now let's get back to the video. Protect your QR code by only sharing it with trusted senders and avoiding public Wi-Fi when possible. Enable two-factor authentication and review device approvals, plus clear clipboard after copying addresses to limit exposure. If you need recurring payments, create a separate receive address and label it, and always confirm small test transfers before sending full amounts to prevent mistakes. Regularly update the app and OS to get security fixes that protect your keys and display features.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.